Are you sitting on the couch, bored out of your mind whilst participating in this global event and don't know what to do? Here's an idea. You could dial up the volume, add some drama, and get some insane length with this 2-in-1 cruelty-free Legit Lashes Mascara by Huda Beauty. Hi, my name is Munisa and I make beauty related videos just like this one. So if you're new to my channel, click here and consider subscribing to be a part of my Sass fam. Now you may be wondering, 2-in-1 mascara, meaning it's a deluxe size. No ma'am, it comes with 2 full-size brushes, one to give you volume with its soft waxes and low gravity fibers, and the other to give you curl and length with its gripping waxes and 5mm of lengthening fibers for an immediate elongated effect. You can definitely use both sides separately or together depending on what kind of look you're going for. So come with me and I'll show you how to apply it. So they suggest starting with the volume side and combing your lashes from the root to the tip of your lash. And my beauty tip for you today is to just go tap 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 on the tip of your lashes after you apply the mascara, just to make sure they get some of that mascara love, because since our lashes are curled, it might not come in contact with the mascara wand while you're applying it. So this is one layer with the volumizing formula and nothing on this side. Before that dries, I'm going to go in with the curl and length side to add some much needed drama to my lashes. And this is what my lashes look like with both the formulas and nothing on this side. For this side, I'm going to curl my lashes and again start with the volume side and then go in with the curl and length formula. And this is how both the formulas look after curling my lashes versus not curling my lashes. Which side do you prefer, curled or not curled? Both the formulas feel extremely lightweight on my lashes and my lashes don't feel stiff like a board either. Also, when I was researching the mascara, it didn't say anywhere on the website or on the box how long lasting the mascara is or whether or not it is smudge proof. But on the Huda Beauty's website, under the comment questions section, it does say that it doesn't smudge when using both the formulas in the order that they recommend and that it is long lasting. So I'll check back in after a couple of hours to see if my eyes resemble a raccoon. So far so good, my lashes still feel lightweight, and then looking up close, I don't notice any smudging around my eyes. 10 hours later and my lashes look amazing, especially this side where I curl them, and if you look up close you will see that there is no flaking and my eyes do not resemble a raccoon. My final thoughts on the 2-in-1 Legit Lashes Mascara by Huda Beauty is that for 34 Canadian dollars plus tax, I think it's totally worth it, and in terms of ratings, I'm giving it 5 stars. So if you're on the fence wondering whether or not you should buy it, I suggest you run, don't walk to your nearest Sephora to go get yours today, because when it comes to their claims, it does deliver major volume, dramatic curl and length. You also don't need to use both the formulas at the same time to get amazing lashes, and even after 10 hours there is no flaking or smudging. So I'd go ahead and say that this mascara is definitely smudge proof and long lasting up to approximately 6 months, perfect for your hot girl summer needs. Now if you want to check out some other amazing mascaras that I recommend, you can click here to check out the Lash Idol Mascara by Lancome, or here to check out the Upswing Full Volume Mascara by Bite Beauty, and I'll see you there. Also, don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel for my weekly beauty tips and product reviews.